A basic introduction to propositional logic. Demonstration 1.6. Arguments. An argument consists of one or more premises and a conclusion. The conclusion is basically the main point of the argument and can be found using the guide word therefore. A premise is something that supports the conclusion and can be found using the guide word because. Problem number 6. My client can't be guilty. Here's why. He didn't know the victim. Furthermore, he was out of state during the murder. Step 1. Find the conclusion. Remember that in arguments, order is irrelevant. In an argument, the conclusion can appear at the beginning, middle, or end. There is an implied therefore before the main point. In this case, that the client is guilty. A clue to find that out is you can see that the justification of why actually comes afterwards. Step 2, find the premises. Again, order is irrelevant. There is an implied because before the evidence or supports for this argument. He didn't know the victim and was out of state. Final answer. Premise 1, he didn't know the victim. Premise 2, he was out of state during the murder. Conclusion, my client can't be guilty.